Hey, it's my little brother.
You gonna help me with this
Hey,
guy?
I taught him everything he knows, huh? Boy. Keep on. Protect those insides.
Shut up, your face.
Up high, huh? Look, left foot, duck. It was this big, I mean, really. It was like the size of Bob Hopkins. It was ridiculous.
I gotta do it no more.
It's sad. You let them take it away from you.
I'm embarrassed. I told everyone I was gonna unclog the toilet. I'm sick of being a disappointment.
Luigi, you're a great plumber. I want you to make another run at this.
What about my brother?
With all due respect, he's too much trouble.
Get back here, you dirty plumber! Get back here!
Don't hurt him! Don't hurt him! Don't hurt him!
Hey!
Don't hurt him! Come on!
Hey!
I did it for you, Luigi! Did what? Steal a toilet paper? I got the 12 rolls at home! Don't do me anything!
That's a spicy meatball. Grab it, you jam. And out. In 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And you have to wait.
Hey, look, it's the Statue of Liberty. I wonder if she's wearing anything under that cloak. She's French, you know.
He's a sheriff.
True.
French. They don't know how to cook.
I know.
They don't know passion.
I know Mickey, I know Dickie, and Gary Boo. Boo Boo just went home. He spent the night over my house. Have a good day, these guys.